Good afternoon everybody, and welcome to day 96 of lockdown. Now I don't know about you, but here in West Lancashire we've had 2 days of really heavy rain. I mean really heavy. We've got high winds today as well. It's about 4 o'clock I think in the afternoon, and there's been a break in the cloud, so I took the decision to come out and just stretch my legs and just have a check on everything, well, kestrels. So yeah, like I say, it's really windy, and it's just started light drizzle, so I'm just going to quickly go around and check everything, and then I'll probably be heading back. But I just wanted to get out and do a little bit of footage for today's video. Right, we're just approaching the nest box now, so I'll bring you back shortly. I just want to take this opportunity to welcome any new visitors to the channel. If you enjoy videos like this, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Have we done it? Brilliant, thank you. So just for today, I've brought out this Sony handy camcorder. It's only 8.9 megapixels, but this is a camera I used to use many years ago on all my YouTube videos. But the good thing about this camera is it folds up really small, as you can see, and it's got a really good zoom on it, which I will demonstrate now. If I just bring you up, there's the tree over there, and this is where I'm stood. I wouldn't normally be able to zoom in as good with my Nikon, or definitely not the phone, but I'll just show you what I can do with this 9 megapixel camcorder. Okay, here we go, hold tight. Lost the box, where is it now? There we are. And there you can see 3 looking quite big today, the youngsters. So yeah, we're going to move in a little bit closer now and see if we can get a better look. But yeah, that's the zoom on this cheap little 9 megapixel camera. Wasn't cheap at the time, but it is now. The weather's taking a real turn for the worse now. Typically I managed to get a few clips with the camcorder, and I've just seen the parent swooping in, and it's out in the field doing a bit of hunting. It's just landed in a tree over the other side of the field, and yeah, my hair's back to its usual state now the wind's picked up. That break in the cloud didn't last long. Apologise for the shaky camera work with the camcorder, but I wasn't using a tripod, it was just handheld, and obviously with the powerful zoom it just magnifies the shake. Right, I'm going to head back now because it's starting to set in now and I'm getting soaked. Haven't seen water in here in a long while. Some more fungi appearing there. That looks like it might be from the bolete family. Keep an eye on that one. Good afternoon everybody. It's day 97. It's another gusty one. It's quite late in the afternoon. It's not been very nice again today. But once again another break in the cloud. So I've decided to come out and just do the usual route and just spot what I can, really. I just want to go back to the footage we got of the fox cub the other night. I thought it was really interesting to see that the parent had left a kill for the youngster. Rather than just taking it straight in to the den to feed it, he's actually left it out on that grassy path where we get all the footage, and it sort of left it out there for the youngster to find, and eventually it sniffed it out. It's always difficult to know what's going on, because you've got to remember that it's dark when we get that footage, and you just think, well, no, it's there, it's right next to you, just pick it up. But because it's dark, they've got to sniff the kill out, which he did do eventually. But I thought it was amazing that I only just spotted it after probably the third watch of that actual video clip. I just spotted it on the floor and I realised, oh wow, it's left it a kill. So it's obviously just teaching the youngster how to sniff stuff out and grab it and then take it back to the den, which he did. So that was great to watch, really enjoyed that. Right, we're in the meadows again. I'm going to have to stop talking now and start paying more attention to what's going on around me, because I don't want to miss anything. Right, come on, let's crack on. So as we approach day 100, as we approach day 100, I'm thinking of changing the format again. I'm thinking of changing, we're not changing the format, more changing the name of the video, rather than it being a lockdown video, because after lockdown I want to continue this series of wildlife and nature videos, and that's probably going to be the name of the video. It's going to be like a wildlife and nature vlog, continuing what we've been doing over the last 100 days, showing you all the wildlife that I come across, all the changes throughout the seasons, and all the different plants, animals, insects, anything we come across I can show you, and just bring it all together in a short video for you to watch every other day. So that's probably what I'm going to do. It's going to be a wildlife and nature vlog. Let me know what you think, because lockdown's going to come to an end at some point, and I just want to sort of transition into the next stage, really. So yeah, that's my plan. Let me know what you think. Look how free flowing that stream is. That wouldn't have been like that if it wasn't for my dog walking friend, who clears that out every morning. Much better. For those of you that are new to the lockdown videos, and you may not have seen this before, but I just want to show you this tree here. Sorry, that's the kind of thing you get on these lockdown videos. Drives you bonkers. Does look like in here though, doesn't it? Well, I think it does anyway. Well, I wonder what that plant's called. I'll tell you what that's called. That's called vetch. And the reason I know that is because I use the plant identification app, PlantNet. I didn't know it a couple of weeks ago, but I do now, and I won't ever forget it. I don't know about you, but I try and ignore some of the things you see on social media, the news, relating to cruelty to wildlife and just craziness in general, really. The most recent one though was some swans that were on a canal, and this idiot of a young lady, don't know what you want to call her, definitely not a lady, she was seen trying to kick the swan. A load of people gathered round, sort of egging her on, youngish people, and the guy had spotted this and he wandered over to sort of say, "What you doing? Stop doing that." And he ended up getting pushed into the canal, laughed at, filmed on mobile phones, and then just left in the canal to try and find his way out. It was quite a It wasn't like a canal where it was just the edge of the canal and then the canal. It was quite a drop. It was probably a 6-foot drop into the canal, and he was just left floundering in the canal, and everybody just wandered off, filming on the mobile phones, laughing, joking. And that's the kind of thing that we're up against at the moment. It's just madness. I don't know whether it's just recently this is happening because everybody's either out of school or whatever. I just don't know. But you're just seeing more and more of this, and it's just getting to the point where you're thinking, what is going on? It's really upsetting. It makes you wonder what the future generations are going to be like. I know for one thing, I know my two aren't going to be like that. And if they do end up being like that, they'll certainly know about it. It's madness. I don't like it. I've checked on the kestrels and they're still hanging around the nest box. So we'll keep our eye on those and keep you updated as and when anything happens. So that was a little bit wet and windy in this episode, but I hope you enjoyed it. And also please let me know what you think about the changing format that I talked about earlier on in the video. So if you did enjoy it today, then please give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, as always, just click on the icon here or the one down below. Please leave your comments, I love reading those. Don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.